So guys, I made a detailed video on how to install your um industrial sewing machine, ML to be precise. This is a detailed video step by step, starting from how to fix the legs, the pedals, the engine, the head, and how to fix the thread also. So if you pay a detailed attention on this video, you don't need to pay anyone to help you fix your or install your machine. Assuming I knew how to do this, or assuming I had a video like this, I would have paid such amount of money I paid to install my machine. So I got this new machine and I called the engineer to help me carry it and come so he can install it for me. So as he was installing it, I got this detailed video to help others because it's very simple. It's not even hard. So first of all, he's trying to fix the legs of this machine, as you can see him doing. After fixing the screw, he used the spanner to tighten it very well. In this installation of this machine, you need your spanner, you need your screwdriver, so you can tighten all those screw very well. It's still fixing the legs. One thing about this machine is everything is just simple because each part of this machine is packaged separately. Like this, the legs and the pedal is in one carton, so you won't be confused on the screw or nut to use. Everything is in there. When you bring out the legs, the nut you have to use to fix it is there with it, so you won't be confused. That's why it's actually very simple. The head is also packaged in a different carton with its own screw and nut. So now the legs of this machine is ready. As you can see, it wasn't hard at all. It's something that you can do if you have a video like this. The one he's trying to fix now is where he will fix the pedal, that place that you place your leg, so the machine will start swinging. This is where you fix the pedal. That's the pedal. So now he's done. Like I said, you need your spanner. This is to make sure the nuts are well tighted, a bit tight. If the English is correct, I don't know. This is to tighten the nuts very well, so the machine won't be moving sideways after installation. So now after that, he still went ahead to make sure all the knot he fixed is well tightened. This is him. Like this, the pedals are ready. Like, this is very simple. I was just looking at him install this machine. It was very simple. You don't even need any explanation. Once you have a video like this, follow it up. You don't need someone to tell you, can do this, do it like that. So now is the pedal of this machine that he's trying to install. Once again, you put the nuts with your hand and you make sure you use your spanner to tighten it very well so it doesn't remove or it doesn't move sideways from one side to another. So he's done with that. So the leg is ready. Everything is ready and well set. All this was put in a separate carton, so the nuts, the screw, everything is there. Get. So now it's time to fix the engine. This is the table of this machine. So the table is being turned upside down because it's underneath this table that the engine, the power button and everything will be fixed. So that's why you see him, you see the table facing upwards. You see what he's doing. This engine is in a separate carton and everything, all the accessories that he's using is in that carton. So You won't say you don't know where to get it. As you can see, he's fixing this nut. On the table is already open, like where you're going to place this engine is already open. So if you just fix those nuts that he's putting now from underneath it and put it, then fix this nut on it. Those holes are already open. So once you put that long screw, you now put the machine on the engine on it, then you tighten it with the screw. First with your hand, then you use your spanner to tighten it very well. Very, very compulsory. Don't work only with your hand. You can see him do it. Make sure it's very, very tight after you screw it. This is engine though. You see, everything is inside a carton for this engine, all this screw. You see what he's doing, trying to tighten the nuts and everything. Like this one now is there. The screw to fix this one is very small and it's inside the nylon with this particular one. You see what he's doing. After putting the cover, he put the screw, then he will now use his screwdriver. Like this nut now, you need your screwdriver to tighten it very well. This small nut, you don't need spanner for this one. That's why the two accessories you need for this is your screwdriver and your spanner. It's very, very important. As you can see him doing, it's already covered. This part is a little bit complicated, so you need to pay a detailed attention. It's kind of complicated but very easy to fix. There's nothing hard. So he's done with the head. That's all about the head though. He's done. So now he's trying to fix the power button. This is the panel, the power button, the on and off switch. You see where he's placing it. You now use the hammer to knock the small screw, then use your screwdriver to tighten it very well so it doesn't remove. This panel is inside the nylon with its nut, its screw. So you don't need to start looking for screws. Everything is in there. Everything is there. Even if you are finding it difficult, there's a manual there how to install it. You can read the manual, but the manual is kind of complicated. If you don't have a video like this, you might not know how to do it, or you might not understand what is being said in that manual. So you can see he's holding this wire together with this. So now he held it till the end. When getting to the end, he will now just curve one. The one he dropped is the one that you are going to plug to the wall for current. Then the one that will be fixed on the head of the engine is being taken towards there. As you can see, after that he will now plug it to the engine. This is the light source, the one that will bring current. You see the drawer. He's going to fix the drawer. All the accessories you need to fix this drawer is packaged inside that drawer. So you don't need to start looking for it. Just follow the video. It's not even hard at all. See what he's doing. This is what will help to slide the drawer in and out. The small screw, use your hammer to hit it small. Then after hitting it, use this screwdriver to tighten it very well. The same thing will be done to the other part, the other side. Like this, the drawer is ready. It's not even hard at all. It's not hard at all. So after now, everything that is needed to fix under this table is done. So he's going to attach the pedal, that's the leg of this machine, to it. As it's still facing upside down, he's going to fix the table, place it very well and fix it. First you hit the screw with your hammer, then after hitting it, you use screwdriver to tighten it as usual. It's not hard. The machine is almost ready, like almost ready. Yes, you see what he's doing, using this screwdriver to tighten it very well. It's ready. So now to the pedal, he now fits this small iron with the screw. Is not hard. Just attach it to what he's doing now is this small iron that will connect this pedal to the engine, so that when you're to the engine of that machine, so that when you're mashing it, the machine will be moving. You'll see when he's connecting that long iron to the engine. He's going to do that later, but first he fixed this iron where he's going to put the thing that will connect the pedal to the engine. Like, this machine is ready. Like, this was done in less than 30 minutes, or let me say roughly 35-40 minutes, because we are gisting. As you can see, the head of the machine is inside its own separate carton with manual, everything. He just handed me over my receipt because I ordered this machine and they delivered it, and I told them that the engineer that will install it should carry it and come. The manual is there, everything is there. See what he's doing. When you bring out the head of the machine, you see those things in there. So first you attach that white something to make the surface smooth, because you can't just fix the head there. You see what he's doing there. You hit it first, you now screw. It's ready. Now put that off. The holes are there where you're fixing all those things. They already created a hole there. You don't need to start creating anything. This is the head of the machine. Just pay attention to what he's trying to do, because you need to fix some things before fixing it on the table. You see what he's doing. First, he use this stuff to turn it. You see the place where he now faced that thing was facing downward. He now turned it to face upward. You see, this is where you are going to fix the belt of this machine. He put it there and he now screwed it. After that, he turned it so the other screw will face upward. He now put the second screw. You put the second screw and tighten it like this. It's ready. Where he's going to face the bed, then to the where this is where you have to fix this one under first. This is where you put the oil. Here there's a mark where the oil should reach. The oil of because you have to oil the machine. There is high, there's low, so they will give a mark. When the oil is low, you'll be seeing it. So there's a mark for high. That's where the oil is supposed to reach. So now you see where he's fixing those things. Those things are inside there. They're already there, so you'll be seeing it. When you pay attention to this video, you don't even need to pay money. I paid a huge amount of money for this, so assuming I had a video like this, I won't spend a dime. You see, it's ready. It's not even hard at all. It's not hard at all. This is it. You see that long something that he's trying to fix. If you didn't put that in, if you pour oil, the oil be pouring from ground. So it's when you want to pour oil, when you want to remove your old oil, you have to remove that in, so the oil will not go out. See that in. So it's where he's fixing. Now it's ready. No much thing to even do. No much thing. The head is there. It's almost ready. So it's not fixing the belt. You just place your belt from there and take it down and connect it to the engine. He's adjusting the speed. You see what he's doing? He's tightening it. That's that long thing that he fixed from the under that he's not tightening to the engine. This is where he connected the belt. You see the belt to the engine of this machine. It's not hard at all. Everything is detailed. Everything is detailed, like well detailed. You need to give me a thumbs up for this video. If you watch this video and not subscribe to my channel, I don't think you are doing justice. I don't think you are being grateful at all. Please, if you find this video helpful, just help me subscribe. It's gonna be my first video. I'm a new YouTuber. Help me subscribe, please. Okay, we are still recording. So now he's connecting the engine to the pedal. As you can see, it's not hard. This thing is inside the nylon with its own accessories. That's why I love this. I don't know if other industrial sewing machine is like this, so but this one particularly, they make everything easy, like everything. But like this particular one is inside the nylon with its own accessories, and how you're going to fix it is there. So you just join the two together and tighten it very well. Yeah. If you want to adjust the speed, it's through there too. So he's adjusting the belt. He's fixing that thing by the side where you can put you can thread your, is it tension is called or what, I don't know. Yeah, machine is ready like this, so it's ready. Now he will go ahead and fix where you put your thread, that long stuff. That's what he's trying to fix. That one is not hard at all. So guys, if you watch this video till this end, thank you a lot. Thank you so much. And to my returning subscribers, I appreciate you all. Please, if you are here to subscribe to my channel, please kindly do and give my video a thumbs up. And remember to turn on your notification button so whenever I post a video, you will get notified. Please, subscription is free, totally free. Please do well to subscribe to my channel, like it, comment and share, and also turn on your notification button.